Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing into admin. Google.com with your super admin account. Do this now because only a super admin can change other admins. Once signed in, make quick backups of any critical settings, groups, and drive data tied to this admin so nothing is lost. At the same time, create or designate a replacement super admin user and verify they can access billing and directory. Make sure to test their login and two-step so the organization won't be locked out when you remove admin privilege. Once the replacement admin is ready, open the admin console and go to Directory then Users and click the account you want to turn off as an admin. Next, choose admin roles and privileges and unassign super admin and any delegated roles. This prevents accidental access. After removing roles, go to Security to revoke two-step tokens, app-specific passwords, and any OAuth or API client authorizations tied to that account. This step severs programmatic access and reduces risk. Make sure to save changes and confirm role removal succeeds. Finally, transfer ownership of shared drives, Google Groups, and billing accounts to the new super admin, then suspend the old admin account to test service continuity. Only delete after a verification period. Make sure to update SSO and third-party apps that reference the old admin email. If anything goes wrong, quickly restore the previous admin role temporarily and consult audit and admin logs to find what failed. Once resolved, repeat the removal steps in a controlled way to avoid downtime.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.